Dear students, let us begin a new day by asking the blessing from the Almighty. Today, let us begin chapter 12, Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Heron's formula. You can see this Heron lived in 10 AD to 75 AD. On page number 190, you can see the picture. Heron was born in about 10 AD, possibly in Alexandria in Egypt. He worked in applied mathematics. His works on mathematical and physical subjects are so numerous and varied, and is considered to be an encyclopedic writes in these fields. His geometrical works deals largely with the problems on the mensuration written in 3 books. Books number 1 deals with the area of squares, rectangles, triangles, trapezoids, various other specialized quadrilaterals and regular polygon circle surfaces, cylinders, cones, spheres, etc. In this book, Heron has derived the famous formula area of triangle in terms of all its 3 sides. Heron is derived a formula to find out the area of a triangle on the base of its sides. And earlier we had the formula area of triangle. Area of a triangle half into base into height. H-E-I-G, half of base into height. Okay. So now Heron derived a new formula about dealing with the sides of a triangle. If as we know, ABC, triangle ABC, 3 sides are there. First side AB is represented by A, small letter A, BC can represented by small letter B, and AC can represented by C. 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides: AB, BC, and AC. So you can represent the measurement of AB as a small letter A, BC as small letter B, and AC as small letter C. So these are the 3 sides ABC. Now he has obtained a beautiful formula to find out the area of a triangle if the sides are not. Now before that, as usually you see what is do's and don'ts. Do's इस चैप्टर में करना क्या है? do's 12.1, 12.2, 12.1, 12.2, section 12.1, 12.2. Example 1, 2, 3. Example 1, 2, 3. Then exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. Okay. You have to do this whole thing. Now, don'ts में don'ts इसमें आपको 12.3 example 4, 5, 6. Then exercise 12.2. Exercise 12.2. This is आपको नहीं करना है. ठीक है. So these are the do's and don'ts. ठीक है. So now I should directly give you the formula. What is the formula? Area of a triangle. Heron's formula. Already we have half BH. Now Heron's derived another formula. So these 3 sides ABC, first 3 sides AB is represented by A, BC is represented by B, and AC is represented by C. Then area equal to area of the triangle equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is known as Heron's formula. Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now A, this side, B, BC, and C, the third side. Then what about S? S is known as the semi-perimeter. S is known as semi-perimeter. S is known as semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. S is known as A plus B plus C. So first of all, you need to find out the value of S, then apply this formula. Area equal to root of कैसे बनाएगा root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So you will see one question. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. So please write homework. Please write the chapter number 12 Heron's formula. Then area of triangle also please write the formula. Then here it is given area of a triangle, page number 199. Area of a triangle. Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And S equal to semi perimeter A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay. Now we will take one question. Find the formula. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Whereas which has area of the triangle A equal to the government A equal to 40 meter, B equal to 24 and C equal to 32 meters. So how to find out the area of this triangle? We have to find out the area of this triangle. So now what is the formula? Area equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now first of all we need to find out S. S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is 40 plus 24 plus 32 divided by 2 equal to 4 plus 2 6. Then 3 plus 2 5 plus 4 9. 96 divided by 2 equal to 48 meters. That is S. Okay, 48 meters. Now we need to find out the area. Area equal to root of S into 48 into 48 minus 40 into 48 minus 24 into 48 minus 32 equal to root of 48 into then 48 minus 40, that is 8. 48 minus 24, that is 24. Then 48 minus 32, that is 16. Okay. Now of course we need to find out the factors. Okay. Then 24, 48 2 into 2 into 2. 2 are 4, 2 are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 3s 8 2s are 8. 8 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 into 2 48. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 into 2 48. Then 8 ka 2 into 4 48. Then 24 ka 24 factors. The factors of 24. Factors of 24 equal to 2 for that 2 into 2 4 4 into 2 8 2 to the 4 to 8 8 3 is 24. Okay. Now 16 ka you can take the 16 because factor. Now root 16, that is 4. Now you can cancel these 2, you can write 2 here. 2 and 2, you can take 1 2 here. Then again 2 2, you can take 1. Root of 4, that is 2. 1 3 and 1 3, that is 3. Again 2 2. 2. Okay. Now equal to 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 64 into 2 128. 128 into 3 8 is 24. 2 3 plus 6 plus 2 8 3 1s are 384. 384 square meter. 384 square meter your answer. Okay. So please do it. and get more practice. We'll meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.